another version of Website Pro. So on this video, we're actually going to be looking at a platform or a tool that you can easily use to create WordPress websites. So it's called Local. So this is the tool. It's called Local. So let me show you where you can get this tool from. So if you come here to this website, is called Local. So LocalWP. So this is where you can actually get the #1 local website development tool, where you can use to build to install WordPress website, and it will support you through the entire development of your WordPress platform. So with this tool, you don't actually need to have uh, you don't have to install XAMPP or WAMP, and you don't have to go through the regular lengthy installation WordPress installation process. So this actually makes it easier for you to use. So with this, all you need to do is to select on the download, and I've already downloaded this too, so you can see that it tells me download already started. So then if it doesn't, then you can do that. So for you, if you are new to it, then you can straight away just download this too, and then you can install. So when you install, after go through the installation, you're going to have this screen where you have to sign in and add up a bit of credentials. So you can see that these are all the websites that I've actually installed with this. So you can see this is the website that I currently have and I built with this local WP2. So if you want to use it, you want to use it to install new WordPress website. So there's this tool over here where you can see shows us add local site. So you can see that these are all the available tools on it, and most of these you are generally not going to be using it until you're very familiar with it. But this is the one that you're going to be using all the time. So you can see here when you click on it, it gives you access to now install your WordPress website. So you can see here create new website. You can also have the customized where you can now start a new website from pre-installed elements. That is also available, and you can also just import new themes by using this option, where if you already have a theme installed, downloaded, and you want to just use that, you can drag it here and you can start using it. But if you want to install fresh WordPress website, then this is the option to use. So you select on this and you click on continue, and it brings you here. This is where you need to put in your site's name. So you're going to put in, let's say, web, for instance. Yeah, so this will be the name of our website. There's also an advanced option here where you can actually choosing the local site domain. If you already have a domain name, you can put it there, and you can also have the local site path if you want to set up path. But for mostly you're not going to be using it, so you don't have to go through with this. That is okay. Then you can just click on continue, and then you come to the preferred version and the custom. So this is where you choose your environment. So if you choose a custom environment, you can now have the option to choose your PHP version and choose your server, whether you want to use Nginx or Apache. If you are very familiar with XAMPP, then you might have used a lot of Apache, or WAMP, you might have used Apache a lot. But Nginx is also another server engine that you can also use. It's very popular with the development. So if you're not popular with, comfortable, or you haven't used Nginx before, you can Google on Nginx to find out more about Nginx, or you can use Apache if you're more comfortable with it. I can use both of them. So Nginx is very fast, and you will love to use it on your development with WordPress. And you can also choose any version of MySQL database that you want to use. But if you choose on the preferred, you can see that it gives you the PHP version, and it also automatically select Nginx, and it selects the current MySQL database version that is available, and straight away it's set for you. So just a few clicks and you click on continue, and your website is there. So on this is where you're going to put on your username. So on this we're going to put a root for the username and root as well for the password. And at this point you can set up WordPress email. You can set up an email for yourself, or you can use it. This is generic email that is created by local, so you can just straight away use this and you're good to go. And then click on add site. So now by clicking on add site, your WordPress website is going to install, and it's going to now get ready to be used. So you can see that it's adding the WordPress, and it's going to download the WordPress themes, the WordPress backend that I need to start working on my WordPress website. So as soon as it's done, you can see from the backend that there is WP here, there is open site, and when you come to this side, you can see go to folder. So you can check on the website folder. You can also open to the shell. You can check on the database, the two. So you can see from here, these are all the various settings. So now, great, everything is installed for me, and now I can straight away go on to my website. So if I should click on here, that shows us open site. I can just click on that, and it's going to open the site for me. So this is the new WordPress website that I've just installed. That automatically be installed for us. So this here is a 2024 demo site that is provided, demo team that is provided by WordPress. So you can see that it gets everything done for me, and now I can start building upon this and start working on my WordPress and all of that. Right. So now this here also gives you direct access to the WP admin, so you don't necessarily need to go through log in all the time. You can just use the WP admin, and straight away it brings you here, and you can just put in. So remember, we put a root for both the login and username and the password. So straight away it will help us, and then we can log on. And this is our WordPress right here, ready to use and ready to build upon it. The other option that is also available with local is such that you can just put in your one-click domain. So if I click here as on now, you can see that it select my username and my password right here in here for me. So it says that it's enabled the WP admin button on local, which automatically logs you in as the selected user. So if I should click on this here, now it's not going to take me to the login page. Straight away it's going to bring me to the back end, and I can start working on my tool and all of that, and I'm good to go. So that is how cool it is to use. So on this side as well, you can also change the web server if you're not comfortable with Nginx. You can also change it to WP to Apache, and you can also change the PHP version, and so on. So that's how cool it is to use WP, local WP, and to install your WordPress, and it makes it easier for you to quickly, on a few clicks, and install your WordPress, and you can start using it. So on our next video, we're actually going to look at how to complete a website using WP local and also push it. So you can see from here there is pull and push. So we're going to look more into it on our next video, how to push it to a live domain online, how to host it using this tool. So see you on our next video.